On the Garmin Tactix and the Garmin Fenix, you got an option if you press and hold the menu button and go down to safety and tracking. This option will be an incident detection. So if I come into that option, this will be an auto detection for those kind of activity. So if by example I am running my bike and got an accident, it will auto detect it and call for assistance. By going here into that menu, I can press and hold that button for 3 seconds, like that, and then it will call for assistance. Actually, I'm inside, so I won't get a location, but if I were outside, it would send my location to my emergency contact. Actually, yes, it's not sent because I'm not outside. There is no GPS signal, but I should receive an email to say that I need help. And once the GPS location would be acquired, well, my people would receive, you just hear the message coming into the phone. And as soon as you got the location, it would send it to my emergency contact. That would be an auto detection, and now I've just made it manually, calling in assistance. I've got my emergency contact just right here. Actually, it's only me. I will show you in the next seconds how to manage the people into that emergency contact. Well, let's do it just right now. As you can see, I've just launched an assistant just right here. And if I come here into the menu and go into safety and tracking, you got the safety feature. If you never got into that menu, you will have to opt in. You just have to press accept and read some information. And from here, you got your emergency contact. You see just right here, it's only me, but you can add some more by going into here, edit emergency contact, and then select the contact you want, or come here and create a contact, give it a name, phone number, email. They will receive an email or a text message looking like this. So you see Pascal Marquis has triggered an assistant alert and may be in need of help. Pascal Marquis has listed you as an emergency contact, and they've got a link to see your actual location. They got your coordinates, and you can follow the actual location by following the blue link. So that's pretty well made. So that's it. You choose your contact into the application, and the contact will be synced on the watch. And if you come here to safety and tracking, well, you can call for assistance. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here, and you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.